Hi everyone, today's video features me making my T60 crotch armour. This was the first component of my T60 cosplay that I created entirely from scratch with no existing pattern. My cosplay's really taken shape, and after this my focus will be on the back piece. Please hit that subscribe button if you'd love to follow my journey, and with that, enjoy the video. I cut a front and rear section in 5mm high density foam, then cut a smaller section for the rear using 4mm foam and 10mm for the bulkier details. I won't be gluing these down until later though. I bought inch thick elastic cord and cut 4 strips out. Make 2 inch thick incisions either side of both the front and back sections before feeding the elastic through. Be sure to leave enough to stick down on the reverse. For the codpiece, I used 5mm foam again and cut each side at a 45-degree angle. A total of 5 pieces were made for this section, each side cut at a 45-degree angle to sit flush against one another. I used contact adhesive to stick each piece together. When securing the elastic, make sure it is tight enough to feel secure when on, but loose enough to slip over your hips. I had to cut how much elastic I wanted off whilst wearing it, so I had it as accurate as possible. Now I attached the layer previously seen at the start of the video to the rear. This also helped conceal the join of the elastic and give it added strength and security. For the circular detailing either side of the front piece, I cut 2 circular discs out of 10mm foam, one larger than the other and then stacked on top of one another. I then added smaller details in 2mm foam for added detailed interest. Finally, I added details using my pyrography tool. Just be sure to wear PPE and carry this out in a well-ventilated area. I use a slanted attachment for straight lines and a small circular head for screw detailing. And there we have it, another section finished on my T60. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you in my next video.